Hey everyone, I'm Majed Aziz, and I teach Darabuka here on my channel, Majed Darabuka. If English is your main language, don't forget to check the video description. You'll find a playlist with all the previous lessons. Today, we're learning a very important movement that's used in a lot of different rhythms. It's called TKT. Let's jump straight into it. The idea is super simple. We start with the right hand, playing a tek sound. Then we use the left hand to play ka. And finally, we finish with the right hand again for another tek. So the full pattern sounds like this. Tek, ka, tek. Let's hear how it sounds slowly first. Now let's try it together. First, play it once. Then, twice in a row. Then, 3 times. And finally, 4 times in a row. Remember, it's not about speed, it's about control and comfort. If you liked this movement and felt like it opened up new ideas for fills and grooves, stay tuned. In the next video, I'll show you how to use TKT inside rhythms like maksum in a more advanced way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming lessons. I'm Majed Aziz. See you soon in the next practice.